Yo, I got bad
Yes, you got
skills.
money?
New York, big city of dreams, and everything in New York ain't always what it seems. You might get fooled if you come from out of town, but I'm down by